Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook profile. So the first thing we need to do is head over to the Facebook application, and then down in the bottom right hand side you'll see this option for menu. So I'm just going to go ahead and select that. Then scroll down slightly and we're going to come to settings and privacy. So just select this drop down arrow here, then come over to settings at the top, and straight away you'll see this option for Meta Accounts Center. So I'm just going to go ahead and select that. Now we need to come down to personal details, and right at the bottom of this screen you'll see account ownership and control. So once again you just need to select this option, come down to this last option for deactivation or deletion and press this. And now what you need to do is select the Facebook profile that you want to delete. So for me it's this top one over here. And now from this window you'll have two different options. You can either choose to deactivate or delete your account. The differences between the two are basically, if you deactivate your account, you'll still have access to the Facebook Messenger, but your profile will be deleted or just temporarily deleted. Whereas if you delete your account, then it's more of a permanent thing and you'll only have 30 days to recover the account. So if you want to permanently delete everything, then I'd recommend just selecting this bottom option here. Click on continue, and then this is just going to give you a little bit more information about some of the pages and stuff that will be deleted. So I'm just going to press continue. Just select an option here of why you want to delete the account. I'm just going to select any old option and press continue. Click on continue again. And then lastly, you'll just have this information screen here. I'm just going to go right to the bottom and press continue. And then finally, all we need to do is enter our Facebook password and press continue. And that's going to go ahead and permanently delete your Facebook account. Now, once you've deleted the account, you will have 30 days to recover the account. And then after those 30 days have passed, your account will be permanently deleted. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.